The Koenigsegg '850 hypercar announced 3 years ago is already being manufactured at the automaker's third assembly line, Reodor. It was built specifically for this model. The original plans envisioned the production of just 50 examples of the CC850 priced around $3 million each. The company has now revised the target to 70 units. The model pays homage to the Swedish company's first hypercar, the CC8 but takes advantage of the latest in powertrain technology. It runs the same 5.0-liter V8 engine as the Jesko, but uses smaller turbos. As a result, it produces 1,385 PS, 1,366 horsepower/1,019 kilowatts, while weighing a low 1,385 kilograms, 3,053 pounds. That's exactly 1 metric horsepower per kilogram. Koenigsegg especially points out the new transmission. It is largely based on the company's famous 9-speed automatic gearbox, but introduces an actual clutch pedal and a gear lever into the proven formula. As a result, drivers can treat their 9 at hypercar as a 6 metric tons one. The CEO of the company claims this makes it the world's fastest production vehicle with manual gear shifts. As of right now, there are no plans to set any records with the CC850, but owners will be free to try and do so once they take delivery of the car. It takes at least 2 weeks to produce one such car. It's not just because of the technologically sophisticated process, either. Each example gets heavily customized in accordance with the customer's wishes. Delivering all 70 units should take 2 years, the company reckons.